Have you ever seen a photo like the one up there that has two colors? That's called a duotone. They're really nice looking and they're really easy to make. Let's see how. I already have my photo for this one, so I'm just going to tap my PS Express app and find the skyline picture of the Eiffel Tower. I'm going to leave it on the effects, which comes up automatically, and swipe across to see duotone. When I tap duotone, I'll see the different color options, and I'm going to pick blue and green. Now I'm done. My duotone's finished. I have some extra time, so I'm going to add some text. Swipe across to the T, and then you'll be able to swipe over and see hundreds of different text formattings. Pick something you like. I like this one. And then you can resize it to fit into your composition. So I'm going to make it a little larger to fit into the sky. You can also change the font by tapping font and swiping across and trying other fonts, but I like this one. I do want to change the color though, so tap color, and then I'm going to pick a blue just like the blue in the duotone. Then I'm going to tap share and save my picture to my camera roll. Now you've created a lovely duotone with a meaningful message.